Okay, I definitely used to think rice crackers couldn't possibly have so much variety. I was wrong, and as it turned out, the soft ones with the soybeans are my absolute favorite. I think they're the classiest choice, too. Meet these Japanese crunchy little nuggets of joy. Osode furi mame mochi rice crackers from Iwatsuka Seika. Iwatsuka Seika. What makes them awesome? Well, first, they're made with real mochi rice and Tokachi soybeans from Hokkaido. Hokkaido. So that flavor isn't just salty, it's umami rich and kind of sophisticated. They've got that classy rice cracker crunch, but with a gentle bread like chewiness from the soybeans in each bite. These crackers have more of a Japanese countryside aesthetic than something you find in the konbini or Japanese convenience store. Like most Japanese snacks, they come individually wrapped in a lovely washi paper. Let's pull one out here. Now, these individual wrapped items are great for storage, great for sharing and gifting, but I admit it's not the most environmentally conscious. Japan is trying, but there are cultural hurdles. Anyway, these are perfect for snacking while working, watching anime, or pretending you're eating with a proper cup of green tea. If you haven't tried traditional Japanese senbei or rice crackers, a potential con is that they might be too mild for folks who want super bold seasoning. This is refined, not spicy or uber savory. So if you're into authentic Japanese snacks that feel like a little cultural adventure in every bite, these are great to try. I'm blessed to actually live in Japan, but when I return home, you can bet I'll be ordering these en masse from Amazon. Recommend.